let's look at the trig functions of real numbers. The trig functions are determined by either the ordered pair xy or theta. Now, remember, we've already finished with xy. So now, what do we do if we know the angle theta? Well, first of all, we determine the function value of the associated reference angle, theta prime, and then depending on the quadrant, we affix the appropriate sign to the function. Here's an example. Find the sine of 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3 is in quadrant 2. Its reference angle is pi over 3. You've practiced that. Sine of pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2. But the sine is y over r, and y is negative in the second quadrant. So you notice that the sine of 2 pi over 3 is minus the square root of 3 over 2. All right, let's do a couple of examples here. Let's suppose we have theta equal to 225. Find the reference angle. 225 is in quadrant 3. So theta prime is 225 minus 80, or 45. Remember, sine and cosine are negative in quadrant 3. Tangent's positive. So we already know the sine and cosine and tangent 45. So all we're going to do here is fill them. Right. We are ready to do another one. Let's find the sine, cosine, and tangent of a negative angle. Theta is in quadrant 4. So we first convert it to a positive angle. 360 minus 70 equals 290. Then we find the reference angle, which is 360 minus 290 is 70. Then sine is less than 0, cosine greater, tangent. Let's use the calculator. You see we've got our numbers over there. We just need to put the appropriate sign to them. So using the calculator and those numbers, we'll fix for theta in quadrant 4. So the sine of theta then will be minus the 0.9397, cosine plus 3420, and tangent 2.74748. This table can be helpful. It needs to be learned. Now, so far you should know the 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. But notice that we have added 180 and 270 to it. When you're asked, for example, for the cosine of pi over 6, for the cosine of 30, the answer should be given without resorting to technology.